Have you ever wondered what the future of space exploration holds? The universe, with all its infinite wonders and mysteries, has always held a certain allure. It beckons to the deepest parts of our curiosity, the parts that yearn to know what lies beyond the familiar confines of our tiny blue planet. When we gaze up at the star-studded canvas of the night sky, we're not just looking at distant suns and galaxies, we're looking at the future. We're looking at the next frontier of human exploration and discovery. Space exploration is not merely about reaching new frontiers, it's about the advancement of our species. It's about pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. It's about asking questions and seeking answers. It's about humanity's insatiable curiosity and our relentless drive to explore, to innovate, and to understand. And what an exciting time it is to be alive! We live in an era where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. Every day we're making strides in fields like artificial intelligence, robotics, and nanotechnology. These advancements aren't just changing our lives here on Earth, they're reshaping the future of space exploration. Imagine spacecrafts that can repair themselves, robots that can build bases on other planets, and probes that can travel to the furthest reaches of our solar system and beyond. These aren't just the dreams of science fiction writers, they're becoming tangible realities thanks to the rapid pace of technological innovation. The future of space exploration is brimming with possibilities, from returning to the moon, to setting foot on Mars, to reaching the outer planets and beyond. There's no limit to where we can go. It's a future filled with exciting challenges and breathtaking discoveries, a future where the only limit is the extent of our imagination. So as we look to the stars, we don't just see distant lights, we see the promise of new discoveries, the thrill of exploration, and the future of our species. It's an exciting time to be alive, as we are on the brink of some of the most ambitious space missions ever planned. So, what does the timeline of future space missions look like? Well, let's take a journey into the future and see what the world's space agencies have planned. Starting with 2024, NASA's Artemis program is set to make history by returning humans to the moon. This time, the mission is not just about leaving footprints, but establishing a sustainable outpost for long-term lunar exploration. The goal is to learn and test the necessary skills for future manned missions to Mars. In the same year, the European Space Agency, or ESA, plans to launch the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, affectionately known as JUICE. The mission will investigate the possibility of oceanic life beneath the icy crusts of 3 of Jupiter's Galilean moons, Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. Moving on to 2025, we have the Russian space agency, Roscosmos, launching its ambitious Venera D mission to Venus. This mission aims to study Venus's atmosphere and surface in detail, which has been a mystery for decades. In 2026, NASA is set to launch the Dragonfly mission. This intriguing project will send a drone-like rotorcraft to Saturn's moon Titan. The Dragonfly will explore the moon's diverse environments, from its organic dunes to the impact craters where water could possibly exist. In 2027, the ESA and Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency, or JAXA, are teaming up for a groundbreaking mission. The Bepi-Colombo mission will reach its destination, Mercury, after a 7-year journey. The mission is expected to provide new insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. And in 2028, China's National Space Administration is planning to launch its Mars Sample Return mission. This ambitious project aims to collect samples from the Martian surface and return them to Earth, providing invaluable data for scientists. As we journey further into the future, more missions are being planned, each with its own unique goals and objectives. Space exploration is no longer just about discovery, but also about the potential for human habitation and the search for extraterrestrial life. As we can see, the next few years are filled with thrilling space missions, each with its own unique goal. But what about our closest neighbor, the moon? As we look up at the night sky, this celestial body has always been a source of fascination and wonder. So what are the upcoming missions to the moon, and why are they so significant? First up, we have NASA's Artemis program, which is set to take humans back to the lunar surface for the first time since the Apollo missions. This time, however, the goal is not just to visit, but to establish a sustainable human presence. This will provide us with a unique opportunity to study the moon in detail and to test technologies and systems that could be used for future missions to Mars and beyond. Next, we have the Chinese Lunar Exploration Program, or Chang'e, named after the Chinese moon goddess. Chang'e aims to explore the lunar South Pole, a region of potential interest for its water ice deposits. The presence of water on the moon could be a game changer for space exploration, as it could potentially be used as a resource for future lunar bases or even for fueling rockets. In addition to these, there are a plethora of private ventures such as SpaceX's Starship, which aims to ferry both cargo and humans to the moon. These missions are not just about landing on the moon, but about creating a new era of commercial space travel and exploration. So why is all this focus on the moon so important? Well, the moon is a perfect testing ground for many of the technologies and strategies needed for longer, more ambitious missions. It's close enough for rescue missions to be feasible, yet far enough to pose significant challenges. It's like our own little sandbox in space, where we can learn, experiment, and prepare for the bigger journeys to come. These missions to the moon are not just about exploration, they are stepping stones to the rest of the cosmos. They represent our ambitions, our dreams, and our determination to reach beyond our own world, to explore the unknown, and to continue our journey as a spacefaring civilization. And what about Mars, the red planet that has captured our imagination for centuries? Mars, our neighboring planet, has always been an object of fascination. Its crimson hue, visible even to the naked eye, has earned it the moniker, the Red Planet. But why is Mars so significant in our cosmic journey? The answer lies in its potential for life, past or present, and its relatively hospitable environment. In the upcoming years, a flurry of missions will be heading to Mars, each with a unique objective. NASA's Mars Sample Return Mission is one such endeavor. This mission aims to return samples from Mars to Earth, a feat never before accomplished. The samples could potentially hold clues about Martian life, thereby answering one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone in the universe? Then there's the Mars Ice Mapper mission, a collaborative project between NASA, the Canadian Space Agency, the Italian Space Agency, and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. This mission aims to identify ice deposits beneath the Martian surface, which could be crucial for future human missions. Water is a precious commodity in space, not just for human consumption, but also as a fuel source. SpaceX's Starship 2 has Mars in its sights. Elon Musk's ambitious plan to send humans to Mars could redefine our relationship with space. The Starship, capable of carrying up to 100 passengers, represents a giant leap towards our dream of becoming an interplanetary species. But Mars is not just a destination, it's a stepping stone. It's our best bet for learning how to live off Earth. The knowledge and experience gained from Mars missions will be vital for venturing further into the cosmos, to the outer planets and beyond. The allure of Mars lies in its challenges and the secrets it holds. It's a world that promises adventure and discovery, a world where we can learn, grow, and perhaps even find a new home. The Red Planet continues to be a beacon of exploration, promising new discoveries and insights into the universe. So, what does all of this mean for the future of space exploration? As we have journeyed through this cosmic episode, we've seen a glimpse of the diverse and thrilling space missions that lie ahead. These future endeavors, as ambitious as they are, hold the promise of advancing our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key takeaways from our celestial journey. Our first stop was the timeline of future space missions. This timeline, filled with an array of missions, from lunar landings to Mars expeditions, illustrates a future where the boundaries of human exploration continue to expand. It underscores our persistent curiosity and relentless pursuit of the unknown. Next, we ventured to the moon and beyond. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, still holds many mysteries. Future missions aim to unravel these enigmas, and in doing so, they will pave the way for further exploration of our solar system and beyond. The moon is not just a destination, but a stepping stone, a launching pad for journeys further into the cosmos. Our voyage then took us to Mars, the red planet. Mars, with its tantalizing hints of past and present water, is a world that continues to captivate us. The upcoming missions to Mars, some of which will bring back samples, have the potential to answer the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? These missions, each unique in their own way, are more than just scientific endeavors. They represent the collective hopes and dreams of humanity, our insatiable curiosity, and our unyielding spirit of exploration. They serve as a testament to our ability to dream big and reach for the stars, literally. As we wrap up, let's remember that these are but a few of the exciting missions on the horizon. The universe is vast, filled with countless galaxies, stars, and planets. As we look to the stars, we can't help but wonder what other mysteries the universe has in store for us. Only time and further space exploration will tell.